Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make low cal recipe. The name of the recipe is dark millet uttappa. Dark millet in India is also known as bajra. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. The ingredients for millet uttappa we require are approximately 200 grams millet flour, 1 small onion chopped fine, 1 carrot grated, 1 tablespoon curds, coriander leaves chopped fine, green chilies chopped fine, red chili powder, salt to taste, oil and water. To start with, we will put millet flour in a bowl. To this, we will add salt, red chili powder, green chilies, curds, coriander leaves, onion and carrot. Now we will pour some water and mix it well. Consistency of the batter should be like dosa batter. This batter is ready to make uttappas. Next we will grease the uttappa pan. If you don't have uttappa pan, you can also make it on non-stick tawa. Now we will pour batter on uttappa pan. Now we will put some oil from the sides. We will cook it on medium flame so that it becomes crispy. Now we will change the sides so that it gets cooked. Uttappas are cooked from both the sides. Now we will remove it. Delicious uttappas are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have already not subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it, share it, and the link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more tasty, interesting and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.